Hey Sonil, how are you doing today?
Very well, Gagan. All well. How about what's
Good.
coming up next now?
Oh, absolutely. There's a lot of action which is planned next week. And next week, next Thursday, as promised, for our month of May, we are planning coming up one more time with networking event. The one networking event which created hundreds of opportunities last time, more than 100 opportunities we ended up creating when we counted the final numbers. So isn't that amazing, Sonil?
Yes, looking forward. I think a lot of people were excited in the last event, and I hope we are getting buyers again in this event, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, with the kind of response we got last time, this time we are expected to get even more buyers. Yes, yes, we had good 15, 20 buyers which came in last time. People have shown interest. And not only that, we have the entire community looking forward to come up again. And you know what? What we have done this time, we have changed, slightly modified the whole event a bit so that people can get even more and more value, right? There are still
Wow.
going to be breakout rooms. There are still going to be more and more engagement, more and more networking. And there is something which is coming up, which is really exciting, which is going to be an interesting education slot, which is going to be coming in on the industry. And there are a couple of presentations which are also there. So there is a lots more which is going to happen on this particular event. I am looking forward to it. What about you, Sonil?
I'm sure. I think more than me, there will be all the industry, members of Sotex in the community, which is going to be more looking forward to, being there. And I'm sure it is going to be. I'm sure we curating a longer time duration as compared to last time. Are
Oh,
we?
yes, absolutely, absolutely. We are planning this for now. Last time we had one big breakout room, another one breakout room as well. This time we're going to have two breakout rooms. Absolutely fantastic. We want to make for each and every stakeholder who comes there and be with us. We are going to make sure that we are going to even now. This is one more thing which I want to talk about this time. We are going to even arrange few meetings for some of our people who are going to be coming at this particular event. Yes, we will fix these meetings for them and help them take the step forward with the buyers, with the suppliers. This is what
Yes,
we plan to
I
do.
think that will be an amazing opportunity. I mean, in case if we can create that, I'm sure a lot of people would be looking forward to connecting with the buyers and especially with the suppliers also, both the sides. And I'm sure this is going to be making more meaningful business sense for everybody to be there and participate in this event.
I
I
absolutely
am. I think the team Sotex should know, and they should be talking about this to the users at large as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. So looking forward, and I would request each and everyone who is listening to this video at this point of time, come join us next Thursday for yet another exciting, super duper networking event, the second in the series of Sotex Connect. See you next Thursday.